Hello YouTube, I'm going to be doing a Pokemon card thing now, because I just got back into them. I used to play when I was like 7. Alright, so I have real cards. I have mostly real, but these aren't all, this isn't all my cards though. These aren't all my cards. I have like 100 more back in storage, because right now I'm living at my dad's. Okay, so first, oh my gosh, yeah, Palkia. 1 second. Alright, then an Ultra Ball. These are the real cards. Espeon, Hooligans, Jim and Cass, Joltik, Scraggy, Timber, Slowpoke, Plusle, Torchic, a promo Pidgeotto, first edition Pidgey, Snubble, Whimsicott, something like that, Nincada, Cool Basculin, a Drillbur, Chatot, Crocoroke, and when I get to the fake Swablu, that starts the fake pile. Dark Octillery, not Team Rocket though. Screeta, Vaporeon, Diglett, Mareep, Wailmer, Togepi, not Delta though, and Magikarp, Growlithe, Shinx, Rhyhorn, I guess first edition maybe, Sentret, Yamisk, Volcrana, Hollow maybe, first edition Flareon, Walrein. Alright, so now to the fakes. Swablu, fake, fake Golduck, fake Sheldon, fake Cubone that I thought its attack was Bonerang, but it's Bonemerang, fake Zangoose, fake Purugly, a fake Chansey, a fake Grotto, a fake Tauros, yep, a fake Psyduck, a fake Silcoon, a fake Crobat, and my favorite fake card, Dialga, 50 HP. Attack does 100. Dialga fake, 50 HP. And it's, Pokédex thing at the bottom says, a legendary Pokemon of Sinnoh, not capitalized, period, no spaces. It is said that time flows when Dilga, they forgot the I in Dialga, heart beats. Yeah, fake. I'm gonna go up to my friend, hey, did you know that when Dilga's heart beats, time flows in Sinnoh? People suck at making fake cards. Some people do. Alright, see ya.